On the 5th of November every year, people in Great Britain celebrate Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night. It always takes place when it's dark. People have bonfires and set off fireworks in their gardens or communities. The origin of this celebration was an event in 1605. A group of Catholics led by Guy Fawkes failed in their plan to kill the Protestant king with a bomb in the Houses of Parliament. So, do you remember when Bonfire Night is? What do British people do during this evening? If you don't remember, watch the video again. And don't forget to subscribe for notifications of when I release new videos.